Knowledge and collaboration make service agents work smarter. Companies often face the challenge of training and sharing knowledge resources with their support agents during critical times. Agents spend enormous time answering complex queries or sometimes fail to provide accurate information on their own. 42% of service agents are unable to efficiently resolve customer issues due to disconnected communication, archaic user interfaces, and multiple applications. Kapture Knowledge Management System comes with powerful features to enable internal knowledge transition and collaboration. Open one dashboard to view all important updates, access content repository with precise filters, search buttons and categories. Service agents can share information or know-how with their peers on a common platform. View, share and upload any file in any format, audio or video. Create employee forums and discussion boards. 45% of U.S. consumers will abandon an online transaction if their questions or concerns are not addressed quickly, Forrester. Few highlights of Kapture Knowledge Management System are that it provides a ready reference material for new service agents. Any training information, product details can be accessed by new team from the dashboard. You can also conduct tests and assessments from the same platform. Another unique feature are the interactive flowcharts to help agents navigate through the right solution mapped with situations they may come across while interacting with a customer. Give your service agents the much-needed knowledge and delight your customers with excellent customer service.